I think I started originally with 4 and I added 4, or was it 8 to 16? Hang on. Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today we are going to talk about laptops, more like how to upgrade them, alright? Okay, so what I have right here is a HP ZBook Z14. I got this second hand for quite a good price. So there are some problems with it. Mainly the network port is broken and the screen has 3 white dots. That's not very annoying. But what I did notice is that the performance seems to be a bit off. This is, I think, a 2 to 4 years old laptop, but the performance is quite lacking. Not the same as the workstation I have downstairs where I used to edit videos. And what I did notice is that it came originally with 8 gig of RAM, so I've upgraded that to 16 gig, and the hard disk is 500 gig, but it's a HDD, meaning it's a mechanical drive. So today I'm going to show you how we are going to change it to a SSD, which is a solid state drive. These things are fast. I'm using it on my workstation, I'm using it on my work laptop, and I'm using it on my personal computer that I use for movies. This is fast, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that we'll be doing is turning it to the back, opening the cover. So depending on which laptop model, to open it might be different. Okay, so for this model, okay, I've taped away the serial number as well as the license. Okay, so before we go to anything, you'll notice that it's stated here SSD. So well, at this point of time, I would not be able to find an SSD that is big enough, or sorry, small enough for this part over here. Okay, so I have to resort to the normal bigger hard disk, bigger SSDs. Okay, so to open this, we will need small Phillips screwdrivers. Then we'll just pull it out, and we will need to open 1, 2, 3, 4 screws over here so that we can put in the new one. All right. Okay. Okay, and we'll slot it back in. Just like that. Okay, replace back the battery. Place back the panel. And we are done. So now all that's left is to install the Windows, and then we'll run the test again. Alright, so we're going to do a test on starting up in 1, 2, 3. Oh, right. So, okay, I'm going to paste this here because I believe that's where my username will appear. Okay, take note that this is all just a fresh install of Windows 10. So when we install the other one on the SSD, it should be the same condition. Alright, once the picture comes up, we'll log in and we'll see the timing. Okay, so we are loaded up. Let's try with the SSD. SSD booting up in 1, 2, 3. That's it. Alright, there you have it. That's how we change the hard disk of a laptop. I believe most of the models are similar except for how you actually remove this back panel. Okay, so previously this was using a normal 720 RPM, sorry, 7200 RPM, 500 gig hard disk mechanical drive. So I've changed it to a 240 gig SSD. So let's look at the difference. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Short video, simple upgrade, but gives a significant improvement to the performance of the laptop workstation. Alright, so nothing much to talk about here. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit this. But do leave us a comment on how we can improve further, and that's Ghost. And yeah, that's it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, because every subscription counts. See ya.